My grass is brown after cutting. Grass that turns brown after cutting it is a signal that something is wrong. Brown grass is often a result of not cutting it at the correct height or with dull blades. Other problems may cause brown grass or using chemicals improperly or animal urine, but this often occurs in spots, instead of the entire lawn. Proper maintenance of your lawnmower helps ensure that you do not lose the lush, green look in your landscaping. Things you'll need: mower blade sharpening tool. Sharpen the blades of your mower regularly. Dull blades spray and shred the grass instead of cutting them cleanly. This makes them turn dull and unattractive. Sharpen rotary mower blades after every fourth use to maintain a clean cut. Adjust your mower blades to the correct height for your lawn. Cutting it properly allows it to grow in a healthy manner and prevents brown spots. Bluegrass, fescue, ryegrass and wheatgrass grow well at a height of 2 to 3 inches, according to the Colorado State University Extension website. Blue grama and buffalo grass do not need mowing, but grow well at the same height. Cutting grass too short weakens it, thus making it susceptible to disease. Mowing the grass too high allows it to hold too much moisture. Both may result in brown grass blades. Mow your lawn more frequently when it is actively growing. This is much better than cutting the grass blades too short. If you leave your home for vacation or cannot mow due to frequent rainfalls, it is better to adjust the mower to cut 1/3 of the height and then wait 3 or 4 days to cut it to the normal height for your grass. Tips: warnings. The goal should be to remove 1/4 to 1/3 of the grass blades each time you mow for the healthiest lawn coverage. Read the directions well on herbicides, insecticides and fungicides. Improper use results in brown grass.